Alright, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's Ryan from the Horror Nights news station. We have breaking news. When we last talked to you guys, there was an explosion at the police station as Madness Man escaped. I actually saw him firsthand. Tried to alert police, but obviously they were focused on the explosion. We still don't know how many people are inside. We will show you guys footage throughout this news report of firefighters trying to get the fire out, trying to get the explosion that happened and trying to take care of it. There's a lot of information that is happening right now. You know, we'll show you some footage right now as we try and we have about 5 people right here. Let me go talk to them real quick before we show you guys the footage of us actually trying to help some people out. But this all started from Madness Man walking out of the police station, us asking him a simple question: how do you feel about getting your execution date today? And he said, and I quote, "Any minute now I will be out of here." I didn't know what that meant. Obviously now I do. So we will show you guys footage right now. Actually, let's talk to this person. Sir, you were in the police station when the explosion went off. Do you remember seeing anything strange? I was getting a police report taken. It was just something simple, and I started to hear this beeping noise. I didn't think anything of it until someone said run. So I started running, but it was too little, too late. The explosion went off, and I jumped back. You came to me, picked me up, and brought me over here. I blacked out. That's the last thing I remember before you tell me about my thoughts on what happened. Okay. Alright, this is what we're going to do now. We're going to insert footage now of just when the explosion went off. I do have to warn you that this is very disturbing. You do not hear any screams or anything there or death on camera, but you do hear the explosion, so just be warned. I think over here is a better shot right here. And what the hell's that beeping noise? Holy shit! Oh my god. Ladies and gentlemen, there was an explosion here at the police station. Sir, let me help you out. Let me help you out. Victor, help me out. Help me out. Put your camera down. Put your camera down. Alright. Sir, let me help you out. Sir, I got you. Right here. Oh my god. As you can hear, there's sirens coming and all that stuff. Sir, Ryan, get back. I would recommend turning that camera off and just try helping us, alright? Alright, we're going to turn this camera off and help out as much as we can, alright? You are looking at breaking news, live footage of the aftermath of the explosion. Police have barricaded most of the city, and everybody's on high alert as firefighters keep on trying their best to try and find some way to put it out. Stay tuned and keep your eye on the news, as we're going to be here for a while. Thank you. But, wait a second. Excuse me? Wait, what? Masked Man has been seen? He stole a police car. You're kidding me, right? Alright, apparently Masked Man just stole a police car. I don't know where that happened at, but we're going to get more information. A masked man who escaped from the explosion was seen in a police car driving away. Oh, there was a crash over there. Alright, he crashed the police car. If we have footage of it, we'll show you, but until then, this is Ryan from the Horrifying News Station. Thank you for watching.